had my operation 6 weeks ago, and I was without, I stopped using my crutches. Well, one crutch even after 4 weeks. And I started back last week, didn't I? So that was like 5 weeks after my operation. And I can do a lot of things that, you know, I didn't think I would be able to do, but I can do. Yeah, so I'm quite happy. I started coming before I had the operation, so I was building up the muscles and everything before I went in. So it's just going back to that and seeing what I can do. And I mean, people that have been in here that have had knees done, you know, they've said to me I'm, you know, doing really well. So, and I think I'm doing really well, but I've nobody to compare it with because I don't know anybody else, you know, in the near family that have had it done.
And do you enjoy this way to keep fit?
Oh yeah. And it's very convenient for me because it's so near as well.
Do you find it sociable, Jenny? Do you think that it's nice to meet different people in your area that maybe you might not meet?
Yes, yeah, I do. I mean, I come at different times. But yeah, everybody's very nice.
It's like a little family, isn't it? The Healthshack family. Everybody knows everybody, and it's lovely. We're passionate about the community. We bring our community that otherwise might be stuck at home on their own. No family to talk to. We become the family.
Yeah, that's fine.
And I think that is testimony to the passion that the staff, including myself, we care. They'll come here for a coffee. People who have lost their partners, we're where they come for that coffee, that cry, that somebody to talk to, and hopefully they see us as friends as well. You know, it's not just about a business. It's like I said before, it's a family and it's a very close-knit community, and I think we do a pretty good job of serving our community.